What is your name?
Donity Witt.
And what made you choose Hippo Roofing?
I chose it because of the stable. I wanted something that would last and pass on to the years. It's a 50-year guarantee, and I thought if I go to resell the house, which I'm 83 now, so the next person that has my house will be set.
Fantastic. And what kind of roof did you buy?
What kind of roof did I buy? I bought a steel roof.
Metal roof?
A metal roof, yeah.
Excellent.
And it's a nice, pretty blue.
Wow. And what do you like about your roof?
A lot. It's hard to say. It's just all around. It seems just like it's just complete.
Fantastic. And you like the warranty and the credibility?
Yes. I'm very satisfied with it.
Fantastic. And would you recommend Hippo Roofing?
Yes. My daughter next door, they said, well, they got a roof that's 10 years old, so they said another 10 or 15 years they'll be having one too. So
very good. Well, thank you for your time. Thank you so much for your business.